I want to start off by saying that I know I have an accent, and please don't assume it's Russian. More and more people are complaining about the Go transcript test, about our rules, about the law, about the low acceptance rates, and to be honest, I've pretty much had it with all this whining. First of all, the test had it with all this whining. First of all, the tests we've had so far were easy. All you tests we've had so far were easy. All you had to do is listen carefully, read our guidelines, and do some research. These things are in the job description. Our clients don't always have good quality files. Some may have background noise. Some might be in a difficult accent. Some might contain terms you've never heard of, but we have to provide 98% provide 99% accuracy for all of our clients. We've tried to make sure that our communication with employees and employers is a good one. We're available on Facebook, Skype, live support, email, phone. We answer all kinds of questions, regardless of how redundant they are, or in some cases, even rude. We have at least 4 ways of explaining how everything works. We tweaked the way we communicate information over and over again. I hope that it be clear that it be clear for everyone. And yet, it's not. We're not one of those cold-hearted companies that doesn't give a fuck about its employees. We work with people on a personal level, which is why it's so frustrating for us to see duplicated tests or account selling happening on GT. Duplicated tests. Or account selling happening on GT. These things